Let us discuss closed circulatory systems of amphibians and reptiles. Most of the amphibians and reptiles have got three-chambered heart. Heart is divided into three chambers, two auricles and one ventricle. Left auricle, right auricle and ventricle. Remember, auricles are the receiving chamber and ventricle is the pumping chamber. First of all, lungs. Lungs will get oxygen and will make blood oxygenated. Now this oxygenated blood will be received by left auricle, then this oxygenated blood will pass on to ventricle, and from ventricle it will be pumped to the various body cells. So this is the first circulation of blood through the heart. So oxygenated blood is circulating through the heart via this path: lung, left auricle, ventricle, and then to the body cells. Body cells will use this oxygen and will give out carbon dioxide after various cellular activities, making the blood deoxygenated. Now this deoxygenated blood will again come to right auricle. This right auricle will receive deoxygenated blood and will pump it to ventricle, and ventricle will further pump this deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification. So this is the second circulation of blood, second circulation of deoxygenated blood from body cells to right auricle, then to ventricle, and then to the lungs. So in amphibians and reptiles, blood is circulating twice. This is the first path, this is the second path. So double circulation of blood is taking place in amphibians and reptiles. Now here one thing more, some mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated is observed inside here. It means complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated is not present in amphibians and reptiles.